If you've been watching this series, you already know one thing. Every week I share free GitHub projects that can replace expensive software. But today's list is different. These aren't just free alternatives. They're tools you can actually host on your own server, giving you complete control over your data while saving thousands of dollars every year. By the end of this video, you'll discover 10 powerful open-source GitHub projects that replace paid subscriptions and help you build your own private cloud. Let's jump straight into it. Tool 1. Open WebUI. Imagine having your own private version of ChatGPT that runs on your own computer or server. That's exactly what Open WebUI does. This open-source GitHub project gives you a clean AI chat interface that works with local AI models or APIs like OpenAI. One feature I really like is that you can upload your own documents and chat with them just like you would with ChatGPT. If you have a small team, everyone can use the same workspace without sending private data to someone else's server. The setup is surprisingly simple, and once it's running, you have complete control over your AI environment. Just remember, Open WebUI is only the interface. You'll still need an AI model or API to power it. But if you're paying for AI workspaces every month, this project can save you a lot of money. Tool 2. PhotoPrism. Most of us store thousands of photos in Google Photos or iCloud. The problem is, W2 as your collection grows, so does your monthly storage bill. That's where PhotoPrism comes in. It's a beautiful self-hosted photo manager that uses AI to organize your pictures automatically. It can recognize faces, identify objects, organize photos by location, and even help you search your entire library in seconds. I actually tested a similar self-hosted photo manager before, and once everything was indexed, finding old memories became incredibly easy. Another thing I love is that your photos stay on your own hardware. No unnecessary cloud subscriptions. No worrying about privacy. If you're looking for a long-term replacement for Google Photos, PhotoPrism is definitely worth checking out. Tool 3. Uptime Kuma. If you run a website, server, API, or even a small online project, you need to know immediately when something goes offline. That's exactly why Uptime Kuma exists. This lightweight GitHub project constantly monitors your websites and services. If something stops working, it can instantly notify you through Discord, Telegram, Slack, email, and many other platforms. It doesn't just check whether a website is online. It can also monitor APIs, DNS records, servers, containers, and even specific keywords on a web page. One reason this tool became so popular is because it's incredibly easy to set up while offering features that many paid monitoring services charge monthly for. The only thing to remember is that you're hosting it yourself. So, if your monitoring server goes down, you'll need a backup strategy. Still, for most developers and businesses, Uptime Kuma is one of the best free monitoring tools available on GitHub. Tool 4. Jellyfin. If you're paying for Plex or other media streaming services, this tool might surprise you. Jellyfin is a completely free open-source media server that lets you stream your own movies, TV shows, music, and videos from your own server. What makes it even better is that there are no premium features locked behind a subscription. You get hardware transcoding, live TV support, DVR, and media streaming, all without paying a monthly fee. Recently, one of Jellyfin's biggest competitors increased the price of its lifetime plan dramatically. Meanwhile, Jellyfin continues to offer almost the same experience for free. Setup is simple. Just point it to your media folder, and it automatically organizes everything with posters, descriptions, and episode details. The only downside is remote access. Unlike paid services, you'll need to configure your own VPN or reverse proxy if you want to watch your media outside your home. But if you want complete ownership of your entertainment library, Jellyfin is easily one of the best self-hosted GitHub projects available today. Tool 5. Paperless-ngx. We've all experienced this problem. You know you have an important document somewhere, but finding it takes forever. That's exactly what Paperless-ngx solves. This GitHub project turns your physical documents into a smart digital archive. Simply scan a document or upload a PDF, and the tool automatically reads the text using OCR. It can recognize invoices, receipts, contracts, tax documents, bills, and many other files. Then it automatically sorts and tags everything for you. The best part? You can search the actual text inside every document instead of remembering file names. Imagine searching for one word and instantly finding a receipt from 5 years ago. That's incredibly useful. I've seen many people replace expensive document management software with Paperless-ngx because it keeps everything organized while giving you full control over your data. For anyone trying to build a paperless office or home, this tool is definitely worth installing. Tool 6. Outline. If your team uses Notion or Confluence to manage documentation, you'll probably like this project. Outline is a clean, modern, open-source knowledge base that you can host on your own server. It lets your team create documentation, organize projects, write guides, and collaborate in real time. Everything is searchable, permissions are built in, and it even integrates with tools like Slack. One thing I really appreciate is how clean and fast the interface feels. It doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on making team documentation simple and easy to manage. The setup is a little more advanced than some of the other tools because it requires a database and authentication provider. But once it's running, you have a professional knowledge management platform without paying per user every month. For growing teams, Outline can become an excellent replacement for expensive collaboration software. Tool 7. Actual budget. Managing your money shouldn't require another monthly subscription. That's why I wanted to include Actual Budget on this list. It's an open-source personal finance app that follows the popular envelope budgeting method, helping you plan exactly where every dollar goes. You can track your income, expenses, savings, scheduled payments, and even see detailed reports about your spending habits. One thing I really like is that it's local first. Your financial data stays under your control instead of sitting on someone else's servers. If you're currently paying for budgeting software, this can be a great free alternative. The only thing to keep in mind is that automatic bank syncing may require a third-party service depending on your country. But if you're okay importing your transactions manually, Actual Budget is an excellent choice. Tool 8. Infisical. If you're a developer, you've probably stored API keys inside random text files at least once. We've all done it. But that's not a secure way to manage secrets. Infisical is an open-source secret management platform that keeps all your API keys, passwords, certificates, and environment variables in one secure place. It also integrates with GitHub, AWS, Versal, and many other developer platforms. One feature I find really useful is that it can detect leaked secrets before they become a security problem. Instead of searching through dozens of env files, everything is organized inside one secure dashboard. The community version is free, while some enterprise features like single sign-on are available separately. For developers and growing teams, Infisical is one of the best self-hosted security tools available today. Tool 9. Documenso. Need to collect digital signatures without paying expensive subscription fees? Take a look at Documenso. This open-source GitHub project lets you send documents for electronic signatures directly from your own server. Unlike simply placing an image of a signature on a PDF, Documenso supports cryptographic signatures, making documents much more secure and verifiable. It also includes templates, multiple signers, email notifications, and an API for automation. Many businesses spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year on digital signature services. With Documenso, you host everything yourself and remove those recurring costs. You'll need to configure your own email service and signing certificates during setup. But once that's done, you have a professional e-signature platform completely under your control. Tool 10. Coolify. If I had to recommend just one project from today's list, it would probably be Coolify, because this tool doesn't just replace one paid service. It helps you host almost everything else you've seen in this video. Think of it as your own private version of platforms like Vercel or Heroku. With Coolify, you can deploy websites, web apps, databases, Docker containers, APIs, and even many of the tools we've already covered, all from one simple dashboard. You don't need to log into multiple cloud platforms anymore. Everything is managed from one place on your own server. Another thing I really like is how easy deployments become. Connect your GitHub repository, push your code, and Coolify automatically deploys the latest version for you. It also supports hundreds of ready-to-use application templates, making setup much faster even if you're new to self-hosting. The only thing to remember is that you're responsible for your own server. That means updates, backups, security, and maintenance are all in your hands. But in return, you get complete control over your infrastructure without paying expensive monthly hosting platforms. If you're serious about building your own private cloud, Coolify is one of the best open-source GitHub projects you can install. That's all for today's video. These 10 open-source GitHub projects can replace thousands of dollars worth of paid software while giving you full ownership of your data. Whether you want your own AI workspace, photo storage, media server, document manager, budgeting app, secret vault, digital signature platform, or even your own deployment platform, there's something here for almost everyone. I'd love to know which tool was your favorite. Drop its name in the comments below, and if you know another amazing self-hosted GitHub project, share that too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because I upload videos like this every week, helping you discover the best free GitHub projects before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.